Hi, good morning. I'm here at Tagaytay Highlands. I just want to show you our newest development here at Midlands West. Project TREALVA is the first residential development at Tagaytay Highlands, newest enclave, Midlands West. This property is near Madre Dios Chapel and offers 360-degree views of nature from the Taal Lake and Mount Makiling. So this is located in Midlands West. It has also owned amenities like Nurture Park. So it has an exercise lawn, rain garden, active zone for jogging path, bike lane, play lawn, stand pit, stepping stump, adventure zone, nature trail, activity lawn, eco park, clubhouse for adult and kiddie pool, playground, event lawn, multi-purpose pavilion. So it has also exclusive and gated community, 24-hour security, and underground utilities. Total project area is 19.9 hectares with 84,608 square meters saleable area and approximately 274 to 804 square meter. Total number of lots is 231 with 140 to 240 meters above sea level.